Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a tutorial. I got a request a few weeks ago to use my round backdrop stand and then add a balloon garland to it. I know for beginners or for a lot of DIYers, this is the backdrop that you tend to go to, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how I blow up my balloons, connect my balloons, and then add them to this backdrop, all right? So let's get started. So now I'm gonna start blowing up my yellow balloons. Some of these are Sempertex balloons, and then some of these are Tuftex balloons. So these balloons that I'm blowing up right now, these are 11-inch balloons from Sempertex, and I'm just going to tie these together and form a quad. Now let me show you. These are two 11-inch balloons, and now this is a 24-inch balloon, and this is a 17-inch balloon from Tuftex. Look at this. Like, it just has this weird, like, mark on it. So now I am going to form a quad, okay? And then I'm blowing up two more 11-inch balloons here. And then I'm going to blow up an 11-inch balloon and an 18-inch balloon from Sempertex, because I don't want to use those Tuftex balloons that have those weird marks on them, okay? And now I'm just going to form a quad and move on to my next color. Now, please make sure you check the description of this video. I always get questions on where did you get your balloons from? How many balloons did you use? What sizes did you use? I'm going to put all of that information in the description of this video, okay? All right, guys, so I got a question on how do I attach my balloon garland to my stand. I always use 260s. So this is a yellow 260 that I'm going to be using, and I'm just wrapping it around the balloon garland and then tying it to my round stand. So you want to make sure you tie it in at least 4 places, okay, just to make sure that it doesn't move. All right, guys. So that was my DIY tutorial on a round backdrop stand. So let me know in the comments, what did you think? If there was something that I missed, let me know in the comments because I can always create another tutorial, okay? Now, before I close out this video, I just want to mention, because I always get this question on my round backdrop stand. I actually purchased mine from Etsy, and unfortunately, it's not available anymore. But if you check the description of this video, I'm going to give you guys some links to some other backdrop stands that are pretty similar to mine. All right. So as always, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.